Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Perplexity AI account. Now let us begin. Well guys, it is quite simple to simply delete your Perplexity AI account. All you have to do is focus on the bottom left corner of the screen. Right here, you can see your username, and right next to it, there is a button like this, that is Settings. Click on it right now, and then you will be redirected to the settings page. From here, as you can see, there are lots of options like general, accounts and everything. Denote that you can look at your profile, you can also look at the APIs as well. But right now what you guys need to do is simply stay in account and just scroll down. And guys, that is it. At the very bottom, in the system tab, you will see something like this, that is delete account. And right next to it, you will see a button like this that says learn more. Click on it and this thing will open up. It is just going to ask for your confirmation. This is your moment guys. In case you don't want to delete your account, simply hit on cancel, else hit on confirm right now. And guys, that is it. As you can see, my Perplexity AI account has been deleted. It's quite easy guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.